Looking for the best wire stripper to make clean, efficient cuts every time? Whether you're wiring up your home, installing audio gear, or working on automotive circuits, the right tool can save time and reduce frustration. In this video, we've rounded up the top 6 best wire stripper tools based on precision. Klein Tools 11055 EP Wire Stripper. The Klein Tools 11055 EP wire cutter and stripper is made in the USA and designed to cut, strip, and loop 10 to 18 AWG solid and 12 to 20 AWG stranded wire, while cleanly shearing 6 to 32 and 8 to 32 screws. It features precision ground stripping holes, a strong gripping serrated nose for bending, shaping, and pulling wire. It weighs 5.4 ounces and offers long-lasting performance for professional use. Irwin ViceGrip 2078309 8-inch wire stripper. The Irwin ViceGrip 8-inch wire stripper features induction-hardened cutting edges that stay sharp longer, stripping and cutting 10 to 22 AWG wires with precision. Its plier-style nose allows pulling and looping wire easily, while the built-in bolt cutter trims bolts to size and leaves a perfect lead thread, and is ideal for professional electricians and DIYers. Knipex Automatic Wire Stripper 10 to 24 AWG. The Knipex Automatic Wire Stripper is a precision-grade performance tool trusted by tradespeople worldwide. Designed to strip 10 to 24 AWG wire, it delivers a comfortable, quality-assured design. The Klein Tools 2151 Large Cable Stripper removes insulation from 250 MCM to 2.0 cable using a clover design that incorporates 4 different wire sizes in one tool. Simply insert the cable and twist for precise, clean cuts, providing a safer and faster alternative to knives. Built from aluminum and powder metal for durability, ensuring long life and consistent performance. Jonard Tools ST500 Adjustable Wire Stripper. The Jonard Tools ST500 Adjustable Precision Wire Stripper is designed for 20 to 30 AWG wires, using a uniquely engineered stripping mechanism for accuracy and ease. The adjustable stop allows stripping at lengths from 0.039 inch to 2.0 inch. While ideal for electronics work, it combines portability with professional-grade performance. Klein Tools 53725 Armored BX Cable Cutter. The Klein Tools 53725 cable cutter quickly cuts armored cable up to 3/8 diameter, including BX, AC, MC, MCAP, and Greenfield, with just a few handle turns. Its sharp cutting blade eliminates burrs, while it works with Klein's replacement blade, cat number 53726 SEN, for long-term use.